This is the super glue that I think the dive shop that I was talking to was talking about. Super well. It says it's flexible, so it should work on, it says it works on rubbers and fiberglasses, so this is what I used. You're going to want to make sure you get glue around the whole perimeter, because you might want to use the pockets in the future with different blades, and if you do, you don't want to be fighting glue the whole time. So I don't know if I'm doing this the right way or not, but this is where I decided to put glue, so that way if I did want to upgrade or change it, I would be able to cut away gently and be able to replace it and use the same foot pocket in the future. This stuff is a gel consistency. It comes out pretty easy. Don't overdo it. I didn't squeeze the air out in the beginning, so I was kind of squeezing until I actually got some stuff moving. But I did notice there was like a little bit excess after I ended up pushing it all together, so I took a piece of wrapping paper and wiped off the excess.
I know you're doing something, but would you be able to come help me right now, so that, because my skin's all like open and stuff from the shower?
Yeah. She is?